Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and very easy squash soup. So what you're going to need is a half of a pre-roasted squash. I have some leftover squash in here from last night. I just cooked up some squash in the oven along with some other vegetables. You can see there's some sweet potato in here as well. Just cut the squash in half, pull the seeds out, throw it in a pan, a shallow baking dish with enough water so that it doesn't stick on. 375 for about an hour, and you have your roasted squash. I had this with a meal last night, and now we have the leftover roasted squash. You're also going to need a little bit of nutmeg, a dash of cinnamon, some garlic granules or garlic powder's fine, a little bit of Celtic salt, some cracked black pepper, some water, some butter, or you can also use an organic earth balance buttery spread, something like that, and a little drizzle of maple syrup. Now this is the easiest soup you've ever made. So here I have my good old faithful Oster blender, and you don't need anything special. You don't need any Vitamixes or anything like that. I just have this fairly inexpensive Oster blender that I've had for many years, and I have half of my pre-roasted squash here. Doesn't look very delicious right now. And if your squash has a thin skin, if it's like a really thick pumpkin, you may want to skin it, but I'm going to leave the skin on because this is a thin skin squash. So skin and all, half of a squash just thrown in there. And we want to just add enough water so that it will spin in the blender. So, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of a cup. You can be the judge. If it starts to be too thick, you just add a little more water. So we're gonna throw the top on that and put it on liquefy. If your blender gets stuck like that, you want to pulse a few times. And if it's still stuck, we'll just throw a little more water in, and I'm gonna get a wooden spoon. There we go, just dig it around down there. And let's put her back on liquefy. Alright, so I ended up using the 8-ounce glass of water. There might have been 7 ounces of water in it. And we got that down to liquefy, and now we're just gonna go over to the stovetop and add in our spices and warm it up. So here it is. Look at that. I'm just gonna pour it in here. Get every little bit out. Now this can be done with any type of squash, from pumpkin, butternut squash, whatever kind of squash you like. We're just going to turn the heat on a medium here, which is number 4 for me, and we're going to go ahead and add in our spices. We want about a teaspoon of Celtic salt. Maybe a half a teaspoon of the garlic granules or garlic powder, which is fine. A nice generous amount of cracked black pepper. I'm going to drizzle in about a teaspoon of maple syrup. Just a dash of cinnamon. That's it. And can't remember where I got this little nutmeg grinder, but I love it. And got one whole nutmeg kernel here, but I'm down to a little bit right here. I don't use too much nutmeg. Just a little sprinkle. And then we want about a tablespoon of butter or whatever buttery spread you like. Plunk that in there. Adds a little creaminess. I'm just going to crank the heat up a little bit. And give that a stir. Now we don't want to boil this, we just want to get it warm enough so that the butter melts, and then we're just ready to serve. Like I said, you can't get any easier than this. Now before you put all your herbs and spices away, let's give this a little taste. So good. And now that we see the butter is almost melted, we'll take it off the heat and serve it up. Okay. I'm gonna pour it into our bowl here. Now for a little garnish, just for you guys. I wouldn't do this if it was at home, but for photos and for you, and maybe if you have company, I put a little dollop of yogurt on the top, and that's just because I had some left over. You don't need to do that either. It just makes it look fancy. And a little bit of something green. So we all like a little bit of something green. This is just a little bit of cilantro. And there you go. An absolutely beautiful and very simple squash soup.